Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Eyelashes help to tell your eyelids when they need a shot to protect your eyes. They also help shield your eyes from the bright sunlight. Long defined eyelashes can make a world of difference for your face by opening your eyes and creating a refreshed, bright appearance. This is because dark eyelashes emphasize the white of your eyes and the dark ring around your iris. So how can you get longer, thicker eyelashes naturally? First off, you need to treat your falling eyelashes from the inside. Start by eating right, a healthy balanced diet filled with protein, fruits, and vegetables. The absorption of vitamins and minerals in our body can make a tremendous difference in the growth of our eyelashes. Avoid processed foods and extra sugar. Here are a few DIY remedies you can apply to your lashes for thicker, longer, stronger eyelashes. The first remedy is a very popular one, and it's castor oil. You can apply some castor oil to your eyelashes and eyebrows and massage very gently for a couple of seconds and leave it on overnight. This oil works great to grow your eyelashes and even your eyebrows. Second remedy is Vaseline. You can also rub some Vaseline onto your eyelashes for longer, thicker lashes. And third is a very simple mixture that you can make using 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. Mix all together, apply onto your lashes, and leave it on overnight. You can store any remaining mixture in the refrigerator. These remedies are very simple but yet very effective. You should always do a patch test before applying the remedies to make sure you don't have any allergic reaction. And that is all we have today. I hope you guys find this video beneficial. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and remember to stay beautiful.